Hello and welcome to another MCO update about gold. Yeah, the gold chart continues to be just in a sideways range here. That is not clearly bullish. Someone asked me in the last video and in the comments why I'm so bearish. Honestly, if you've been here for the last couple of years, I've been throughout bullish on gold, despite a lot of criticism, especially like in 2024, early 2024, people were quite bearish. End of 2023, people were quite bearish. No, the structures were bullish, but now we've reached all my targets, honestly, and we have potentially formed the top there in the third wave, right? In April. Is it a guarantee? No. But once we get a break here below these previous swing lows at 3,230 and 3,272, it should accelerate the decline. But please note that first of all, the decline won't be in a straight line. And in addition to that, this is not really bearish. I'm just talking about a bit of a larger setback, a correction, a pullback in a still unfolding uptrend. So this could actually be, if we really see a bit of a setback here in this wave 4, maybe towards $2,800, $2,700, then this would actually be an opportunity, maybe even the last chance before the market rallies again to a new all-time high and might actually put a long-term top in place there. Okay, so this is an unchanged scenario. We have talked about the gold chart just yesterday, I think. And I shared with you that my view is that potentially a top formed. That needs to be further confirmed, but it's the working thesis right now. We have an A wave down. I'm tracking this as a B wave. It's like a sideways triangle there. That's one scenario. I think I added that. Did we talk about that yesterday? I can't remember. But yeah, triangle is definitely realistic. I think I added that only today. So by the way, these updates are now also part of our stocks membership. So for those who don't know, I've got the crypto membership on one side and then the stocks membership on the other with the S&P and the NASDAQ included. Again, also the NASDAQ was originally never part of it, but it became part of it. And now gold, silver are part of it as bonus updates as well, in case you're interested. So I wanted to, I shared that triangle thought there earlier today. And now we could be next, we could be moving down in a C wave. But there are some very clear levels that need to hold. Talking about we need to stay below certain levels to keep this white scenario alive. So in the white scenario, third wave top formed, A wave down. The B wave is a triangle. A, B, C, D might still be unfolding. E wave up. And we need to form lower highs and higher lows. And then when we start to break here, below the Wednesday low that formed at 3,272, that should, send us down towards 3,147 or even lower. Now, to keep this triangle idea alive, the market should really stay below the Monday high that formed at 3,365. Because any break above that level would invalidate the idea of a triangle. And it would rather shift the focus on higher prices in the yellow B wave. That would just be a bit of an extended B wave. But yeah, the question is, how would this unfold? Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or something, like a C wave ending diagonal. I talked about the blue box as potential target zone for yellow wave C of B yesterday. It's between 3,380 and 3,447. Please note that in both scenarios, we're talking here about a B wave that's developing at the moment. The B wave might be a triangle, or it might be a flat correction as shown in yellow. But of course, it could rally to all-time highs from here directly. I just don't see any evidence for it. Okay, I would need to prove it to me. I would need to change my thesis, my assumption that we go directly higher and form one more direct upside extension. So I'll keep you updated anyway about that. For now, the levels should all be clear. Scenario as well. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates about gold, S&P, NASDAQ, check out our stocks and S&P 500 membership. You'll find the link in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.